Daniel. I can smell your savory slice in the microwave. It's overpowering. Lunch has never been so interesting. I am excited that we have made a food-based connection.
Mary. Forget my food. Forget my slice. We work between a thin wall of fabric and yet, my love. No. I have said too much. Is my lunch slice at optimum temperature now?
Daniel. The slice is hot. Really hot. Your lunch is really well hot. It waits for you on a glass plate in the microwave. If you would only have me, I would give you lovely pies.
I said canto moi, I said contone. Yes indeed I am a lone wolf and no lady can tether me to a post. That is because I am free. I am free from herd. I am alone like wind.
Daniel. We are all worried about you. You seem so remote. I don't think you're really interested in this job. The rest of them will not forgive another outburst. Please be calm.
Oh. I am very calm. Super calm. I know exactly what to do now. It is all so clear, so crystal clear. By the way, is my savory slice cool enough to eat yet or is it still steaming?
Daniel. Your savory slice is fine. It is protected. Do you think that we might ever make love again? Maybe made love in a nice room. Not a toilet like before? I have feelings.
Yoop. I have feelings that burn me like an acid attack into my heart. Right now I have a real desire. That desire involves you. I am looking for my savory slice but it is not here.